Hey everyone, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I am testing out some of the cupcake liners that I bought at the Dollar Tree. And this is how the cupcake liners looked like after it was baked. As you can tell, the cupcake liners didn't turn out as clear, but it's okay, I'm still gonna use it anyways. So I baked some chocolate cupcakes in the cupcake liners. So after I baked chocolate cupcakes using these cupcake liners, I used green and purple buttercream frosting to decorate the top. Then, I stuck some of those eyeball toothpicks on top. For the scarecrow and sunflower cupcake liners, this is how it turned out. Again, the images on the cupcake liners didn't turn out as powerful, but it's okay. I just wanted to show you how they look like after they were baked. So on top of the cupcake, I decorated the top with a grass piping tip using green buttercream frosting. And then I stuck the scarecrow and sunflower toothpick on top. The good thing about these Dollar Tree cupcake liners is that they are simple to decorate for last minute events. So what do you think about these cupcake liners? Have you used cupcake liners from the Dollar Tree before? Let me know in the comments below. I hope that you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.